Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this time I'm using X7 because I think the gentleman has X7, and his nudge factor is 0.25, which I can't stand because if you need to move something and make a duplicate. But it's already broken apart. It's already probably traced and bitmapped. But we need to see if there's any black lines behind here. And as you can see, there's a lot of color. And I just did a video on this same subject, but we've gotten rid of most of the grays. So we're going to take just for instance, we're going to take our color eyedropper, and that's gray 173, gray 173, gray 173. Most of it is gray. Well, see, this is different colored grays. But we're going to he wants to just know how to get rid of most of the grays. So we're going to back up here and put it back all together. And yeah, there's two grays on top of each other. That was his problem. He's trying to figure out how to get it done quicker. And I just did a video that was so quick, it doesn't happen like that. Go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Objects, New Search, Outlines, Properties. Let's move this over a little bit. Next, Colors. We're going to get our eyedropper tool and we're going to pick on that gray 173. Find, or go to Next, Finish. No objects were found. Find all. How can that be? Let's try it again. Edit. And it'd be the best thing to find the black. But I've been having trouble. Oh, you know what I put out? I needed to put fields, uniform field. Next, specify color. Move this over, get the eyedropper tool, and get the 173. That's what I did wrong. That's what I was saying. And then hit delete. Look at it, took all the colors away. Now there's some other colors that you could do the same thing for, but I'm going to right click the mouse and have a black outline. Then there's so less of colors. Now the reason I didn't find the fill, or the reason I didn't look for the fills, see there's two colors on top of each other. So I'm going to left click instead of deleting it. So that's pretty good for the video. If you ever have anything like that disappear when you're just checking it. Now he is right. He's got a lot of colors in here. Let's see what the color is. See, it's gray 204. And instead of, see, 201, 204, instead of going through here and deleting these 10 colors, I'd go back to Find and Replace. Find Object. Next. Fills. Uniform Fill. Next. Let's move this over. Specify color. Eyedropper. And where were those? Almost need to zoom in here. It was there it is, 204. Next, next, find all. X out of there and hit delete. So it got rid of most of those colors in one keystroke. So from here you could actually delete instead of going through there again. Just delete that. There's actually two colors. Now see how it disappeared? So just exit out and you still have an outline. This is pretty easy. And then you could use this. There is a gray one there. You know, just in just a few minutes, you could have all the color. So this is where I suggest using Find and Replace first. And I think those engines need to be black. Now see there, it took away a double line. Let's look back. So what you would do in that case is click on it and put no fill. Now let's give it, and there's a few more colors in there, and really, if you're going to engrave it, it really wouldn't matter because it is a gray. Now this line looks to be gray, and it's a fill. We need to turn that into a black. And you know what? I got two colors here. There's my RGB. So I want that to be black. Same thing on that side. And I think we're good to go. And then the final test, I'm going to hit F4, bring everything up on the page. And and there's some colors right in there. Let me zoom out one time. Let's get the rectangle tool. Fill it in with yellow. Go to Object, Order, Back of Page. And we don't have the white out yet. So just click on it and hit delete. That's pretty fast. I mean, you don't, and you got some grays here. It's still going to engrave. In that case, you need to left click. I'm going to get rid of my yellow box, and I'm going to grab all that. And I'm going to do that. Now, like that small word, I guess is ladder, you could retype it or take it out. So that's two ways to do the same thing. It just happened that the first way was so easy that it wasn't, it's not going to happen that often with that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.